There goes the Emily EverGreen shield. Man, the supports on this, I tell you, Satan himself right there in the corner laughing as I was taking it off, because it was hell. Those supports was crazy, but yep, poked myself up too right there, but it's all good. Life-size EE shield for the kiddos. Not to mention, I did this without the AMS on the Centauri Carbon by Elegoo. It took time and patience to do this like this without an AMS system. You have to stay up for hours and swap out and put more and different colors and just to blend it right. I probably could never even get this again for real, because the way I did this, you know what I mean? But I'll try again. I hope you guys like the shield. I will have this on the market for sale soon, along with the action figurines, with the books. Oh yeah, that is the miniature size, different color. That was made with the AMS. Okay. Hope you guys like it.